Welcome to Railtech Aluminium. Before starting the installation, please make sure you have taken all necessary safety precautions. As the first step, begin by inserting the screws. Then, place the product and tighten the nut. Next, correctly position the plastic compression set. Complete this step by placing the cover profile in the aluminum compression piece. Finally, carefully place the gasket and the glass. The glass sizes may vary depending on the product you are using, so please pay attention to this. To complete the installation, perform the compression operation with the set screw bolt. Thank you for watching. Railtech Aluminum, railing, system.